Hello to everybody. FutureTrend channel is again with you. We are glad to welcome all of our subscribers, and we start our everyday analysis of major currencies for the date of 3rd of August 2018. Today is the date of publication of United States Payrolls report, and taking into account that the market is already quite bullish on the United States dollar, these numbers should come in much above expectations to really improve the near-term potential of the United States currency. Of course, from a longer-term perspective, the United States dollar should remain quite bullish, and only in case of dramatic changes among to the worst side among United States economic indicators, or a fully blown trade war between United States and China, the situation could change to the worst side for the United States currency. At the moment, the situation trade situation between United States and China developing, let's say, quite bad for the China, because the market already made a choice and suggested that in case of real changes, in case of a hike of United States tariffs on imported goods from China, from 10% to 25%, the China will be a main loser in this situation. And from that point of view, we should interpret such kind of situation more or less positive for the United States economy, for the United States inflation, for the United States interest rates, and as a result for the United States currency. As regarding today's payrolls report, and also another important economic indicator in the form of ISM non-manufacturing PMI, we suggest that the market is more or less quite ready for good United States economic numbers, so we could see some sensitive moves in the price of United States currency in case if United States economic numbers come in below expectations, or for example much below expectations. And from that point of view, we still suggest that the United States dollar, taking into account that we still inside of summer ranges, also the United States dollar should remain inside of recent ranges, and only in case of much higher, much better United States economic numbers that should underpin the near-term interest rate futures, only in that case we could see quite positive reaction for the United States dollar and a much higher United States dollar as a result. As regarding the situation with major currencies, the euro dollar, which is trading around 115.90, should remain inside of the range between 115 and let's say 118, while we are trading about 115. Anyway, in case of breaking below the lows of 2018 registered at around 115.10, of course, from technical perspective, the situation will change better for the United States currency and quite worse for the euro currency. The same applies for the dollar yen, which should remain more or less inside of the range. We still interpret the last Bank of Japan meeting still positive for the Japanese currency. And as regarding the cable should remain above 129.50 on the closing basis, to be with chances to develop kind of short-term rebound, let's say. So as regarding the dollar Swiss, the situation should remain more or less positive for the dollar bears, while we are trading below the parity level, and to be correct below 99.75, where lies once again from technical point of view, where lies current downtrend, short-term downtrend in the currency. And we'd like to note that in case of big changes in the values of currencies on the result of today's United States economic numbers, we will come with updating of our strategy. For those looking for our strategy in the euro crosses, here it is. We entered a small position in the euro yen, and we still suggest to be to stand by from any kind of trading in other euro crosses. As regarding commodity block of currencies, here we still suggest to remain with long positions in the Kiwi, in the Aussie, while trading above 2018 lows. And also here we still keep our short strategy in the dollar Canada. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we will come with updating of our strategy in case of big moves on the basis of today's United States economic numbers. See you later, and bye bye for now.